Which system has the same solution as the system below? So this is a system with linear equation, x plus 3y equals 10, negative 2x minus 2y equals 4, right? Now, in doing these kind of questions, the first step is we want to see if any of these choices is a multiple of the system, right? If it is, then we know that's the same system. So for example, this x plus 3y equals 10, compare that with 2x plus 6y equals 20. Essentially, that's the same equation because when you multiply this equation by constant 2, this is what you get. All right, so that is equivalent. Now, how about the next one? The next one, see if we can multiply that by a constant and come up, see if it's the same as the other equation. Now, in this particular question, it doesn't happen, right? So this one is not a multiple of this. Negative x plus y equals 14. You cannot multiply a constant by this the second equation and come up with this, right? The same is true for x plus y equals 6. That is not a multiple of the second one. 6 plus y equals 14. That is not a multiple of the second one. So in this question, we actually have to solve for x and y, right, to find out to answer this question. So all right, the first question, the first equation is x plus 3y equals 10 minus 2x minus 2y equals 4. So we label them. Equation 1, equation 2. Now we're going to multiply the equation 1 by 2. And that is 2x plus 6y equals 20. That's equation 3. Now, and then we're going to add equation 2 to equation 3. Adding them together, the x term will cancel out each other. And you are left with 6y minus 2y right here. Right hand side, you have 4 plus 20, which is 24. So 4y is 24, y equals 6. So we have solved for one unknown, right? We are ready to find out what x is. We're going to substitute y equals 6, this one, into equation 1, this equation here. So x is equal to 3 times y, which is 6, and that's equal to 10. So this is equal to 18, right? X plus 18 equals 10, and x is equal to 10 minus 18, right? You subtract 18 from both sides of the equation, and this is what you get. So x is equal to negative 8. So we know the xy value of the solution to the system, right? X equals negative 8, y equals 6. Now, we are going to substitute. We're going to substitute x equals negative 8. We just find that out into the first half of the system here. Right? We're not going to substitute that in the second equation here. 2x plus 6y equals 20. Right? The reason is, as I said, this is equivalent to x plus 3y equals 10. Because they are equivalent, we know when we substitute x equals negative 8, the y they will give us a correct y, which is 6. Because this is equivalent to x plus 6y plus equals 20 is equivalent to the first equation here. And there's no need to check. They're equivalent, so the answer is going to be the same. So all we need is to check on the first half of the system right here, right? The negative x plus y equals 6. All right, so, and we substitute x equals negative 8 into that. Negative x plus y equals 6. X is negative 8, so this is minus 8, right? Plus y equals 6. This is a plus 8 here. So 8 plus 6, x plus y equals 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 8, which is negative 2. So that equation this equation, minus x plus y equals 2, implies y equals negative 2, which is not 6. We know we have solved this already, right? We know x needs to be 6. And therefore, choice 1 does not give us the same solution, right? The y is a different value. So we're going to rule out 1. All right, let's try this second one. Second choice, negative x plus y equals 14. We substitute x equals negative 8 into this one, and negative 8 plus y equals 14. So that's 8 plus y equals 14. Y is equal to 14 minus 8 equals 6. Now 6, that's the same as what we had before, y equals 6. So those two systems have the same solution. Y equals 6, x equals negative 8. And therefore, choice 2 is the answer to this question, right? Now, 3, 4, we know they don't yield the same solution, but we're going to verify that. We substitute x equals negative 8 into the first half, x plus y equals 6. And this gives us negative 8 plus y equals 6. Y equals 6 plus 8. So that implies y equals 14. And that's not the 6 that we're looking for. So 3 is false, right? Question number 4, the last one. Choice number 4, the last one. X equals negative 8. We substitute that into x plus y equals 14. And negative 8 plus y equals 14. Y is 14 plus 8, which is 22. And once again, 22 is not equal to 6. That's what we're looking for. So choice 4 does not give us the same solution. So the only one that does is choice number 2, which is the answer. All right.